Guys, it's Matthew again. Happy new month to you guys. It's been a while. It's the 1st of April 2026. Happy new month to everyone. And we're going to be dropping strategies across all the channels today, 1st of April 2026. So make sure you subscribe to all the channels to watch all the strategies. So here we're going to be trading the Volatility 25 touch, no touch. And we've logged into the trader interface. So we're going to be using the MACD right here, and we're going to be setting a barrier to plus 0.497. So once you log into your trading account, you go to Volatility 25 index, and you go to the indicator right here, click on moment, click on MACD. You're going to see it right below here. So go to the trade type here, you go to touch, no touch, and the durations, set this to minutes, set this to 4 minutes, and set the barrier offset to plus 0.497, and enter the amount you want to stake. So we're going to be placing our trade one. There are 3 red bars. You're going to click on touch. You see right there, 3 red bar under the line. It has to be under the line. That's below the line here. 3 red bars, and make sure the bars are thick. In most cases, make sure they're thick. It has to be 3 red bars. Then you click on touch. So 3 red bars. Don't forget, and the bars has to be like this. 3 red bars. Then you click on touch. So let's wait for the outcome of that trade. This is the time count right here. You can see our time count right here. You can actually sell at market, but we're gonna win the trade regardless. So you don't have to sell. You don't have to sell. Just wait for the outcome of the trade. So you see, we won that trade right here. We won that trade. We made $4 right here. So we're going to place one more trade, and before we do that, for those who haven't purchased our bots, the Toscaper bot and the Pips Stripper bot, check the link in the video description to order the bots. They work on Deriv and they're automated. We're also giving away free gifts when you order our bots, and for those who haven't gotten the buy sell indicator as well, check the video description. The indicator works on Deriv and other broker platform that support MT5. So check the video description for the infos. So and for those who don't have a trading account, use this link right here in the video description to sign up for a free trading account to test the strategies on demo. Make sure you subscribe to our channels to get the indicator for free. We're giving away the indicator for free for those who haven't signed up yet. So once you sign up using that link, subscribe to all our channels and send an email to this email address with the subject free indicator. The indicator works on Deriv and other Forex broker platforms. You can use it to place your trade. It shows you when to buy and when to sell. So we're giving it away for free. So once you follow all these steps, you're going to get the indicator for free. And for those who already have a trading account, you can order the indicator here. Now for the buy sell indicator and the Pips Stripper bot, the links to order them right here. There's a link to order the Pips Stripper bot for Deriv, and there's a link to order the Toscaper bot for Deriv. So here Here's a link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account, and the links to subscribe to the channels are right there. There are other infos in the video description. Check the video description. So we're going to trade again. Remember, it has to be 3 red bars below the line. Below the line, 3 red bars below the line. So you have to wait for the 3 red bar, then you're clicking on touch. Don't forget, you can see the bar is right above it. It has to be below it. That's 1 red bar. So it's green again. So it's red. It's 2 red bars. So you have to wait for 3 red bars. That's 1, 2, 3. Okay, I want it to be thick, so I've got in it. You can see right here. You can see the spot where I placed that trade. 3 red bars. You can see, and make sure they're thick in most cases. See, this long enough. So see, guys, you can see if we want that trade. So make sure you watch carefully before you place your trade. And that's it for now. Subscribe to our channel, share our videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.